The Air Jordan 1 Element Low-Out Light Lemon Twist brings a fresh fusion of style, depth, and outdoor-ready performance. Designed with layered mesh and synthetic leather, this pair delivers durable comfort while showcasing a soft, pale lemon hue that stands out in subtle but striking ways. A vibrant yellow outline swoosh and mango-toned tongue add bold citrus contrast, while the pale lime inner lining and pink heel tab create a unique, multi-tone finish perfect for streetwear enthusiasts. Its rugged outsole features trail-style bumps built for grip and stability, pairing lifestyle aesthetics with all-weather functionality. Evolving from its 1985 basketball roots, the Air Jordan 1 continues to dominate lifestyle culture, and the Element series pushes that legacy forward. This colorway shifts beautifully in different lighting, with a swoosh glowing softly in darker environments. Lightweight, practical, and visually dynamic, the light lemon twist is the perfect everyday sneaker for sneakerheads seeking freshness and versatility in any season.